Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's is almost here. Let's crochet some mini hearts. This is a great way to use up some of the scrap yarns, but you can use any types of yarn and hook size. I'm using number 4 medium acrylic yarns, a 4mm hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. This is my crochet ring, and I would not crochet without it. With this, I could crochet for hours without putting down my hook. It is to help ease the pain on the finger so that the yarn is not pulling the finger. And I highly recommend if you crochet a lot. The link is in the description box if you want to find out more. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot. Insert the hook. And 2 chains. 1, 2. On the first chain, this one right here, place 2 single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. One more into the same stitch. Insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. 1 chain, and turn. On this round, place 2 single crochet into this stitch. One more into the same stitch, 2. Also place 2 single crochet into this stitch. 1, 2. 1 chain and turn. On the first stitch, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Single crochet into 2 stitches. On the last stitch, place 2 single crochet. 1 and 1 more. And now we have a total of 6 stitches. 1 chain and turn. On this round is a repeat of last round. On the first stitch, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Then single crochet into 4 stitches. On the last stitch, place 2 single crochet. Now we have 8 stitches. 1 chain and turn. Place 2 single crochet into the first stitch. 1, 2. Single crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. One chain and turn. On the first 2 stitches, we're going to decrease. So single crochet 2 together. Insert, yarn over, pull through, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. single crochet into your next stitch, single crochet the last 2 stitches together, insert, yarn over, pull through, insert into your next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and pull through. 1 chain and turn. Single crochet the first 2 stitches together. On the last stitch, single crochet, 1 chain, and cut yarn. Now that the first half of the heart is done, on the second half of the heart, we have 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch, pull through the working yarn, and tie a knot. Insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, 1 chain to begin. In the same stitch, place 2 single crochet. And single crochet into the last 3 stitches. One chain and turn. Single crochet the first 2 stitches together. Single crochet into the next stitch, and single crochet the last 2 stitches together. One chain and turn. Now that we have 3 stitches, single crochet the first 2 together and place a single crochet into the last stitch. One chain and cut yarn. Lastly is to fasten off the tails. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's project. Please comment below to let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!